In Step with Alvie, I'm here to show you a teach of You Are the Reason Baby. This is a 16 count, 2-wall dance by choreographer Alison Johnstone. However, I have modified it to be a 1-wall dance with a couple other modifications in it. We do this at our Halloween performances. The music we do it to is I Put a Spell on You by Charlotte Summers. For the first round only, counts 1 through 4 and are different than the rest of the rounds. So for the first round only. So I have my back to the crowd, and I have weight on my right foot. And you can see I have a white ribbon there, so you know which side's my right and my left. For the counts 1, 2, you're going to do arm movements like you're putting a spell on someone. On count 3, you're going to do a half turn to the left, stepping your left foot forward with weight and pointing to the crowd. So it looks like this. 3. And now I have weight on my left when I do that. Okay, I'll do that again. Weight is on my right. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do a right forward mambo for 4 and up. And with that, my arm movements are going to be 4 and up. Okay? 4 and 5, 6, 7. Behind turn step. 8 and up. 1 step forward with your left. 1. Recover 2. 3 is step together, step back. 3. 4 and up, so left coaster step. 4 and up. 5, 6 is the half turn pivot to the left. 5, 6. 7 is a quarter to the left with your right and step your left foot together. 7, right coaster step. 8 and up. And then you begin your second round. I'm going to go ahead and do that first round again. My back is to the crowd. Weight is on my right. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and up. Okay, now for all the other sections or rounds I mean. So now the 1, 2, 3 looks like this. We're going to step and do some sweeps. We're going to step with your left foot. 1, 2, 3. That's a lunge forward with your left with weight on it. 4 and up is a full triple turn to the right, stepping right, left, right. 4 and up. Back with this is the rest of it's the same. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Round 4 and round 6, on count 7, you're going to put your hands like this, because I think the word me comes on, and it's just on round 4 and round 6. So I'm going to do that round for you. Weight is on my right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. And I was supposed to do this. 7 like this, with your arms crossed like this. 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and so on. If you watch the demo videos, you can see how when it ends, just those 2 walls, round 4 and 6, on count 7, you put your hands like this. You can tell the music. I think it says the word me. But that's it. So I hope this video helps you learn the dance. Thank you.